Hey everyone, this is just a quick review of the Vance Hines slip-on exhaust muffler for the Rebel 500. My wife has a 2019 Rebel 500 and I couldn't really find any good reviews that provided good audio checks along with sound options showing the sound levels. So I did record my screen separate from the video that you're seeing here, but was able to go through and get sound levels. This was recorded from about 5 feet away from the exhaust, and you'll see those on screen for the numbers, the peak numbers and stuff like that when they're coming out at idle and revving. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Leave a comment. I will have a link down in the description to the exact model that we did pick up from RevZilla, and thanks so much.